The point of no return. Ready for the shock.
Up. Hey guys, Kim is back from a video a couple of weeks ago. We did a trim on the sides and the back,
yes.
And well, she begged me, I want to go blonde or whitish. Can we please give it a go? And we're going to do that now. So in 3.5, 4 hours,
yep.
She'll be blonde, short, and looking different than now.
And fabulous.
And fabulous. Don't you guys forget to hit the red subscribe button down here, leave a blue thumbs up, enjoy the ride, and
here we go.
See you guys at the end of the video. Gaat-ie? No way back.
The point of no return.
Phase 1 completed. Wat is dit?
Ja, is prima. Hij mag zelf wat kouder hoor.
Oh, je bent echt nog heel veel.
Dat is helemaal prima.
Ja?
Ja. Maakt me niet zo heel veel uit. Koud is vaak wel beter, dus is prima. Misschien word ik hier weer rustig van. Hold me tight and don't let go. Nee, de radio is ermee gestopt.
Dat is bewust hè,
oh,
voor het
voor je
filmpje.
video. Duh.
Kijk, ik moet aan 20 dingen tegelijk denken. Jij hoeft alleen maar rond te wandelen.
Ja. With my organized head.
Komt hier. Ready for the shocker?
Ready for the shock. Like a canary.
Yes.
Birds of a feather. What's it gonna be?
There we go. Well guys, this is round 1.
Yeah.
Snow White, almost as white as a Q-tip. And the only thing is she dyed her hair bright red. It turned out pink instantly, but it's 4 months old now.
Ish, yeah.
4 months-ish old.
Yeah. Sorry.
And it's still here, and even the bleach didn't take it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to just put the color over it, the toner, and see what happens. And maybe if it's necessary, I can cut out a lot of the color without making the bangs too short. But
we'll see.
It'll be cool.
It's an adventure.
Everything is an adventure. Let's apply the second color. Daar gaan we, hè? Muppet.
Oh, banana.
This is color number 2. Het is een kleintje.
I know. Now I'm a T-Rex in a washing area. Oh my god, ik moet echt... Oh my god, I need an outlet because there's too much energy right now. I mean, I'm pretending to be a T-Rex in a washing bowl.
Groot.
I know.
Klein beetje openen.
This is a lot even for me.
Ja.
Zelfs voor mijn standards is dit... I'm trying.
Great. Yep. Put it down again. Lift your head up a little bit. Great. Ooh. It's looking fancy in the mirror.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Yes. Okay, you can sit up. Perfect. All right, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Ooh. I love this with red lipstick. I just love that.
So, photo chair. Ready for it?
Ready, so ready. Look how pretty it looks, guys. Oh my gosh, it already looks so good.
Now a high-speed cut.
Yeah. Because I am always running out of time. Sorry. But I think this is gonna be like the coolest look English. I think this is gonna be the coolest look you've ever given me so far.
I think so too.
I also think like every time I come here it's progressing. I vind het wel echt mooi.
Ja, je hebt het goed gepakt.
Je mag je opschrijven in mijn dossier. Vind je het leuk?
Ik denk nog steeds, als we 1 keer extra hadden kunnen bleken, dan was hij nog witter geweest. Next time.
Next time. Je hebt me zo raar stilgekregen. Helemaal entranced in the process.
Dat is omdat het op zo'n hoge snelheid gaat.
Ik heb bijna niet aan.
Het is gewoon niet te volgen. Ja. Ha! Free ears.
I love that. I love free ears. Let it snow, let it snow. Let
Yeah,
it
all
snow.
those white hairs.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. And one eye.
Mm.
That's better. I know who's gonna seal the show tonight.
Yay.
Mrs. Snow White.
Oh, honestly, with a dress and everything, I'm gonna be a princess.
Let's unwrap you like a present.
I feel like a present. I feel so pretty! You do amazing things. I love the shit out of it. Excuse my language. It's echt heel mooi.
Nice. Well guys, that's it, we're done. What a cool change.
Yes.
Super white, super bright. Oh, I'm sitting on a pair of scissors.
Careful. Don't stab yourself in the butt.
I absolutely love the color. She had some pinkish at the front and, well, I thought it would be awful to bleach it, but it actually looks good.
It actually works.
Now, it's super cool, quick cut. I think it's the fastest cut I ever did.
Yeah, this is a record. for
Yeah,
sure.
but it still is a nice and tight faded back, short top. Let me know what you guys think of the cut and the color down here in the comments. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down here. Thank you for coming and see you guys in the next video.